Demand for financial valuation services pertaining to ownership interests and assets in non-public companies, entities, and subsidiaries, divisions, or segments of public companies is ever increasing. Much of the information from books that address valuation issues pertaining to public companies and their stock prices is applicable to non-public companies. Over the past 40 years or so, specific techniques, methods, applications, and models applicable to non-public entities and assets have emerged and been refined. This text addresses this body of knowledge. Development of a valuation requires judgment on the part of the valuation analyst, which can lead to differences of opinion. This book presents the consensus view of many of the leading valuation analysts in the country. Much of the notation system used in this text is that used by Dr. Shannon P. Pratt, a co-author of the third and fourth editions of this book in his various publications. It has also been used by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, AICPA, the National Association of Certified Valuators and Analysts, NACVA, and the American Society of Appraisers, ASA, in their business valuation courses. As a quick reference guide to important factors and concepts, numerous val tips are found throughout the volume. These val tips are intended to provide guidance and insight on handling key issues, as well as to provide best practice ideas. Who values businesses? Various providers and/or users of business valuation services exist. Many certified public accountants, CPAs, perform business valuations on at least a part-time basis, and many are full-time valuation practitioners. Most of the national accounting firms have valuation services groups, as do many regional and local firms. Analysts and appraisers also practice out of various types of organizations, including appraisal companies, valuation boutiques, and consulting firms. Valuations are performed by investment bankers, usually as part of a transaction. Owners and financial executives participate in valuations of their companies or segments of their companies. Academics and economists value businesses as well. This book attempts to provide a sound understanding of financial valuation for all users and providers of valuation services, and to advance consensus views on some of the more controversial aspects within the valuation profession. Purpose of a valuation. Businesses or their assets are valued for a variety of reasons.